In this asynchronous class, we are going to make a review of the mirror feature, and also we want to see a little bit about the pattern, circular pattern. First thing we have to do is to add some construction lines in order to reflect the mirror. Just be sure to add the constraint that they are coincident. Two construction lines, one on one axis. Now we're going to add the inner circle. We can make simple arithmetic operations in there when you got to type 25.5 and then multiply by 2 times 25.5. And after adding that inner circle, I'm going to add the outer circle, the one that has a 45 millimeter radius. I'm going to choose again circle, select the reading, type in the radius, 2 times the radius, millimeters. And now I have to add two construction lines again. These two lines, be sure to select construction, then half line, the line feature. We can type the dimension, the length of the line, like this, is 60. Now I'm going to add the degrees between those two construction lines, 3 degrees. Like that. And now I'm going to create a mirror feature where we have the mirror option. I'm going to select the object, this construction line, and mirror line will be this other one line. And we have preview. Now that we have that, I'm going to add these lines, okay, in order to make a circular pattern. Those lines are parallel and have a distance of millimeters between them. So I'm going to add a line, but not a construction line, a regular line. Later I'm going to change that. Look, we have a construction line, okay? But I'm going to take that option off. Now it's a regular line. Now I'm going to make add a constraint. It has to be parallel to that construction line. Now I'm gonna add another mirror feature after doing some coincident constraint, adding some coincident constraint between the outer circle and the end point of the line and the inner circle and the end point of the line. Having done that, I'm going to add the mirror operation. It's going to be my feature, my option, where I'm going to mirror my object, and the mirror line will be my construction line. After that, the dimension, I need to use the distance between these two lines. And now I'm going to proceed with the circular pattern. Create circular pattern. Select the objects that I'm going to be in that circular pattern. The object will be this line. Then the center point, in this case it will be our origin. Now I have got the instance. How many instances we have to have? We need 6 instances. Then okay. After that, I'm going to add the two circles at the top of the EU. We have one inner circle and one outer circle. Okay, and also we have the radius, so we want to multiply by 2 in order to get the diameter. That part, the center part, I'm going to add it later in another operation. And then I'm going to add a mirror feature to reflect the changes. So select the point and the circle 2 times 10. Okay, remember it has to be a regular line, not a construction circle. And we have I'm going to add the other one with 18 millimeters, which is equal to 36 radius in diameter. Uh, I have to add a line there. It's going to be tangent to the circle. Then a little circle with a 5 millimeter radius of the line. This line has to be parallel to the construction line and it's on the upper left of the figure. Third time adding the tangent relation. Look, we have to add a lot of parallel. I'm going to add the to select both of the lines and add the constraint parallel and parallel. Then as you can see, I have to trim that. Okay, I'm going to select modify trim and that line. Now I'm going to have some coincidence constraint, constraint and that into the well, that relation is not needed. So I'm going to undo that because I'm going to add a small circle there with a 5 millimeter radius. With tangent relation between that line and to the other circle. And now the coincident constraint between the endpoint of the line and the circle. The endpoint of the line, the circle, and do not forget to press the escape key in order to unselect the constraint. Now I'm going to cut something, to trim something, and I'm going to make a mirror operation, something like that. So I'm going to make a selection. We can make different ways to add objects to a selection, something like that, and I'm going to add a lot of instance, a lot of objects at the same time. Something like that it will work. Yeah. Okay, I have the selected objects. I'm going to select the mirror line to have a preview. It's okay. Very good. Now I'm going to add another circle, a circle with a 7 millimeter radius of here. 7 millimeters. And adding the tangent relation. The same with the other circle. Okay, I have to change something, right? That line will come other lines and go to change. So after doing that, I'm going to make another new location. Okay, looks okay, but we lost some constraint. We have a warning, and as we can see, we have some lines that are not fully defined. So we have to find out what is happening, maybe adding some constraints, or maybe adding some dimensions in order to get our page fully defined. We need to add some relations. Let's see what is going on. And the relations. Okay, let's try the instance. What? Some relations. Looks like we lost some dimensions. Okay, let's be gradient. And have it. This general is okay, so if we add it, it will be a driving dimension. We don't need it. Okay, that dimension that's lost also. What else? What is happening? We have to find it. Okay, this dimension. We can watch. Look, I'm moving it. What is happening? Seeing that we can see that the origin of the circle must have be coincident. It must be coincident. Like this. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Now we have only this problem. I'm going to drag to see what is happening. To drag some points. Let's see. Okay, we have to add a tangent relation there in order to fix that. Okay. And okay, here we go. Okay. Now the mirror. We're going to make it a mirror. And the selection. Yes. Careful. Vertical selection. Dragging the mouse in order to select anything. That will work. Okay. I'm going to add the mirror feature. We have to select the mirror line. Mirror line. Yes. Okay. The mirror line with our preview. It looks good. Okay. But hey, we miss a little arc. Okay, I'm going to do the same with little arc. I'm going to select it. Mirror. Okay. Selecting the mirror line. And okay. Pressing the preview. And our sketch is done. So having done our sketch, we are going to make some expressions. Finish sketch. There we go. And now I'm going to add some extrusion. These areas, I don't know, 10 millimeters will be good. Now I'm going to select this sketch in order to we can see it. Now this rectangle 15 millimeters, an extrusion of 15 millimeters, like that. And now the rest of our model 20 millimeters. This, uh, 20 millimeters, okay. I'm going to change the view to the front view. And now here we have that's our model is done. Looks like the other one that we already B. Okay, guys.